Okie dokie then, let's have a go at 30. Again, it's very similar to 29, isn't it? You've got one term outside and two terms inside, so you need the rule for expansion of brackets. So here we are, one term outside, two terms in. You draw two lines, line 1 and line 2. First line is AB, and the second line gives you the AC plus AC. There we are. There's our little rule that we need to use. So let's invoke that rule then. We draw two lines from the term outside to the two terms inside, lines 1 and 2. And then we can expand the bracket. So the first line, 2x squared times 3. So I'll write that first. That gives me 6. Oh, hang on, minus 3. So I got minus 6. Minus 3 times 2x. There's the line. Minus 6x squared. And here, I'm writing in reverse order really, aren't I? Never mind. It's done now. So 4x times the 2x squared. What do we get? 8 plus 8x power 1 power 2 times you add. So I better put that rule down, haven't I? Because we're going to use it. Times you add a plus b. Yeah? Okie dokie. So times you add power 2 plus power 1 is power 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8x to power 3. Here we go. So everything's on ground level. Now we can do the differentiation. So dy dx then equals, here we go. Let's run along the row then. 2 comes down to b with 6 to make minus 12. X to 1 less than 2, which is 1. Plus 3 comes down to b with the 8 to make 24. X to 1 less, which is 2. There we go. Now we just tidy it up then. Dy dx equals minus 12x plus 24x squared. There we go. That's the derivative. Input the value then at x equals 1. Dy dx equals minus 12x plus 24x squared. Just write down the line above without thinking too much. And then every time we see an x, we want to input the value 1. And here, little bracket, input the value 1. So what do we got then? We got minus 12 times 1 is minus 12, plus 24 times 1 squared, which is 24. Minus 12 plus 24 equals 12. So that's the answer then for question 30. Finishes this section. And so I think we've done simple differentiation almost to death, haven't we, with all these? In section A and this section now, the second section or section B, whatever you want to call it. On the next section now we'll move on to derivatives of other types as well as simple powers, and we'll introduce them incrementally, all the different properties that we can use. Okay then, so see you on the next section. Cheers!